Question 6 of 2018 Middle Primary Division Australian Maths Competition. Question 6. Which one of these numbers is closest to 2208? So, we will first find the keywords, and the keywords are closest and 208. So, we can first randomly pick a number and see how much more numbers it needs to get to 2008. Let's start with A. So A is, we can count. So 190 and then 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, and 197, and 198, and 199, and then we have 200. And then you have 2,000, 201, 2002, 202, 202, 203, 204, 205, and 206, and 2007, and finally 2008. So now will we count all of these? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Wow, 18 is a really big number. So the chances are actually low because you have 200. And 200 is definitely closer than 190. So let's write it down anyway. So the distance is 18. So now we'll be working on B, which is 200. So we can do the same as before. Writing like that. So it'll be 200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, and 206, and 2007, and finally 2008. Now will we count them? So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 8 is a pretty close number to 208. So there's a chance that will be that it will be that number. So let's put it in. So that would be that number. So we'll put 8 to show the distance. And now we will do C, which is 205. So let's write it down. 2005, 2006, 2007, and 2008. Okay, now this one will be a pretty easy one to get. But let's count it anyway. 1, 2, and 3. The distance is 3. So we'll write 3. So by now the winning one is C. Now let's try D. So D is actually over 2008. So we will be mining by 1. Like this. 210, 209, 208. Okay, so we will have to be going backwards for D and E. Now let's count. 1 and the 2. And that one will be 2. So let's write 2. Now, our last and final one will be E, 2018. Now 218. Now let's write it down. 218, 217, 200, 216, 215, 2014, 2013, 200, 204, 240, 203, 30, 222, 212, and 203, 212, 211, 210, 209, 208. So now we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we will put 12 down here. Now we have figured out we have figured out all of the numbers, the distance from 2,208. So it asked for the closest. So we will find which number is the smallest. So 18 is the biggest number, so it can't be A. So let's cross that out. So and 12 is not as big as 8. So then we'll rub out 12. And then B is not as close as C. So we'll rub out B. And we have between C and D. Well, C is just -1 to equal D. So D will be our answer because C is just 1 bigger. So we'll cross out C and our final answer will be D. And then if we check by all the numbers is if that was the smallest, it is. So D will be our answer.